Introducing Atu Salud Light, a television program, and Atu Salud, a series of short videos aimed at improving your health and well-being. Over 14 years in the making, we have developed the know-how to help you optimize the quality of your life. In a nice and easy-to-follow format, Atu Salud Light gives you the tools to feel and look well by offering you the latest in nutrition, fitness, conventional and alternative medicines. Atu Salud Light gives you everything you need to reach maximum well-being through 8 lively, entertaining sections. All of this makes us different from the rest. Sin Recipe, a section where you will discover Granny's traditional remedies to cure those minor ailments that do not require a medical prescription. Relax y Salud provides alternative medicine therapies that are within our reach. They are intended to generate comfort, fight stress, and gain health points. Textos de Salud, recommendations regarding the literature available on the editorial market to improve the quality of our lives. Ejercicios sin excusas. Now you have no excuse not to work out. Simple and effective exercise routines for you to follow everywhere and anywhere. Comiendo Sano, tips for uncomplicated and still very delicious low-calorie dishes. Consulta Medica, a brief encounter with medical specialists at their own offices who will clarify any doubt that we may have in the area of health. Tecnología sin límite, for there is no limit when it comes to the latest advances in medicine and technology at the service of your health and well-being. And of course, our interactive section with you, Preguntas y Respuestas, a challenging trivia contest designed to teach you the basic concepts, information, and data regarding the world of health, its history, and its characters. Atu Salud is a series of informative and enjoyable microvideos about your health-related interests and concerns, featuring well-known specialists who will provide you with the tools to live a longer, better life. Our audiovisual material will certainly suit your needs. Radio, television, newspapers, magazines, online newsletters, social networks, everywhere. Just check it out and you will hear, see, read, and feel how the quality of your life can improve from the very first moment. Useful tips specially conceived to improve your life every day on the basis of prevention. Without a doubt, the most complete program in terms of health, comfort, relaxation, and quality of life. A program conceived for a global, unique market and endorsed by reputable specialists. Either on the radio or on TV, in a newspaper or a magazine, or across any of the many online social networks. Health is the topic everyone is talking about all around the world. Atu Salud, hosted by Maria Lauda Garcia.